Septic tank blackmail is becoming more and more common, and it disgusts me. So what do we mean by septic tank blackmail? In January 2021, the law changed for septic tank owners. From that time on, every septic tank now needs a government certificate. So basically, overnight, 95% of septic tanks throughout England became illegal. Now, this problem flags up when you come to sell your house, because the solicitor representing the people buying your house will ask to see that government certificate. If you haven't got one, then you've got two options. Option one, the people buying your house will ask you to reduce your house price by £15,000 to £20,000. Why that much? Because that's the price that they'll get quoted by an installation firm to install a new septic tank and soakaway for them. Option two, you can pay a septic tank installation firm to install a new septic tank and soakaway for you. But again, they'll charge you £15,000 to £18,000 to do so. Why? Because they know you've got no other option. Okay, so that's why I've called this video Septic Tank Blackmail, because 99% of people don't realise they've got another option, a third option, which will save them £12,000 to £15,000. The option is buying and getting your own septic tank and soakaway kit. These septic tank and soakaway kits literally take 3 hours to put in. They get you that government certificate, and as I said, they'll save you £12,000 to £15,000. Have a look at this. The amazing septic tank and soakaway kit is an incredible product. Not only will it save you thousands and thousands of pounds in installation costs, but it's also really easy to install, and it's building regs compliant, and it fits neatly into any garden. So what's included in this amazing septic tank and soakaway kit? Well, it comes with absolutely everything. It comes with a heavy-duty shallow dig septic tank, no concreting required. It also comes with a German inspection chamber, all the pipework and all the connections. And it also comes with the septic tank drainage field crates with free membrane. And the best part is, it only takes a few hours to install. So how do you install the amazing septic tank and soakaway kit? You put the pipe in the first trench, and this will come from the house into the first hole. Into that hole, then you put the septic tank and connect the pipe to it. Then you connect the inspection chamber to the pipes, which then just slot straight into the septic tank. Then you insert the drainage field crates into the hole and put the pipe from the inspection chamber in to one of the drainage field crates. Then you cover with membrane. That's it. Job done. This septic tank and soakaway kit is easy to install. It will save you thousands in installation costs. And it can be installed in any size garden, small, medium or large.